Drifting against the psychological current, psychology is inherently poetic, drifting into single cell on land, breath from the eye, it is the eye breath. Its eye font is bulging and deflate. The eye font at that time was bulging and deflate, the eye was the breath. Its eye font is bulging and deflate, the eye was the breath. Write the word, sop, as written above. Thou from the image of, sop, in the eye area. Romantic thou as thou, sop guest. Rich and generous, nowhere like Vietnamese, using spoken sounds, which makes me think. Single cell on land, breath from the eyes, the eye font at that time was bulging and deflate. And multicellular breathing takes place, it is from the romance that comes. Open your eyes to the earthly world of natural selection, then form the romance. And this romantic thing, it is what makes all things, according to it. Following it means all things, all species, follow, and exists, opening thou's eyes, present in front of these eyes, all things change. Natural selection, all species follow natural selection, so just like that, thou exists, view, look, view. Right view look view to explain the earth world, opens eyes. Revealing humanized qualities, want to express, the earth world opens its eyes, opens thou's eyes, thousands of millions of years ago, the land living unicellular, thou opened her eyes. These eyes are the image of a romantic heart meeting innocence, the image of a romantic heart, a life deep in the ocean, now on land to meet a miracle. Writing view look view has a profound anthropomorphic meaning, because this wisdom is view in the eyes. This wisdom always reminds and suggests imagination. In the heart of people there are eyes breath. The eyes breathe, the breath, look view in human eyes. Look view look, this romantic thing, of all things, its essence is synonymous with the semantics, concept of freedom. Romance is freedom, overcoming instinctive desires, and the freedom to see instinct, not unjustly, huytoanvo free. Similar to sifting and eliminating, in the theory of evolution, natural selection, according to screening, sifting and eliminating. This spirit of survival, the presence of romance on the side of life, and certainly the existence of thou's state of mind, like the destiny of heaven, the earth world, its own self opens its eyes. Opens its eyes from the free world, opens its eyes, plus unicellular then multicellular, earth world, self-open eyes huytoanvo. Eyes, romantic people, contrasting study eyes. As mentioned above, the eye organism, its own growth, depends on this psychological and physiological control to mature, unicellular then multicellular, a process of thousands of years. To form, thanks to physiology, once submerged deep in the deep ocean, and psychology, always the psychology that controls this physiology. Like the process of life, step on land. Unicellular then multicellular, step on land, freedom. Screening, sifting and eliminating. Where the theory of evolution, natural selection, role, screening and elimination naturally creates an adaptive gene combination. Freedom lies in the fact that, as thou understands freedom, freedom has a tendency to unite, link, all things change to activate, stimulate, romance, and freedom is not beyond natural selection, sifting and eliminating. Freedom is not beyond evolution, not beyond refinement, sifting and eliminating. From impermanence to emptiness, freedom is understood like this. It is akin to the romance that comes from the eyes. Romance comes from the eyes. Throughout the process of life, step on land, unicellular then multicellular, step on land. Open your eyes, earth world. Open your eyes, freedom. The earth world opens its eyes. Involved in evolution with the evolution of all species. Attached to the attachment of all things changing. Never uncontrolled. Look, romantic look. Not simply looking. This looking is not simply. The fields are in bloom. The rice has a romantic expression, it's fluttering. Flowering romance is the feeling of freedom. The image of a rice head is an eye. The rice fields bloom and flutter. Look at this creature. It's romantic, the grain, the romantic eyes of a romantic, right? Freedom is not beyond evolution, not beyond refinement, sifting and eliminating. From impermanence to emptiness, this writing, using the teachings of Buddhist scriptures, clarifies the meaning of freedom, theme of freedom, and projects romance. Buddhist scriptures, this Dharma easily explains freedom with a romantic view. Thou transcends, recognizes, freedom, thou explain. The romantic body itself, which is freedom, this body, the filtering circle, sifting and eliminate,